Barnaby hung from his branch deep in the canopy. The air was heavy and still. The leaves around him were motionless, waiting for something he could not yet name. The forest held its breath in the strangest way, as if it knew that something was about to change. The sky above the forest was dark and soft, charcoal clouds gathering slowly, much like Barnaby himself. Nothing in a hurry, nothing rushing. The clouds were piling up like soft, dark pillows stacked one on top of another, higher and higher, thicker and thicker, until the sky was a single dark ceiling stretched across the canopy. He blinked his sleepy eyes, feeling the weight of the air. It smelled different tonight, like earth and green things, and something cool that had not arrived yet. A single drop formed on a leaf high above, catching the last trace of daylight. It sparkled for just a moment, a tiny point of silver in the gloom, before the light faded completely and left the forest in its softest darkness. And then it came, the very first raindrop. It fell from high above, passing through layers of leaves, slower and slower, until it landed right on Barnaby's nose. The drop had traveled so far to reach him, through the highest canopy, past the middle branches, brushing against a dozen leaves on its way down. And it chose his nose as its final destination, a single cool drop of water, resting there for a moment before rolling gently down his snout. Barnaby crossed his eyes to look at it, surprised and curious. The drop shimmered in the dim light, a tiny, perfect sphere of coolness. It looked like a miniature crystal ball containing all the secrets of the coming rain. A tiny universe of water balanced on his fur. He felt the coolness on his nose, and something about it made him feel calm. The first raindrop was a promise, a gentle promise that something soft was coming, a whisper from the clouds above, and he welcomed it. He welcomed the coolness, the freshness, the change in the air. His nose tingled where the drop had touched it, and that tingle spread slowly through his whole body. A gentle electric current of calm. Another drop followed, this one landing on a broad leaf above him, making the softest sound, a tiny tap. So quiet you would miss it if you were not listening carefully. It landed near the center of the leaf, where the surface was tightest, and the sound it made was a small round note, like the first piano key pressed in a very long song. Barnaby listened, his ears twitching just a little, waiting for the next sound. And then another tap on a different leaf, and another, each one separate and slow, each one finding its own leaf, its own surface. its own unique voice in the growing chorus of the canopy. The rain was not in a hurry. Each drop fell at its own pace, finding its own leaf, making its own gentle sound. Tap, 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 the slowest music in the forest, a melody written one note at a time. Barnaby's breathing slowed to match the rhythm, his chest rising and falling with each tiny percussive tap. In, tap, out, tap. The simplest, most natural breathing exercise in the world. More drops began to fall. Not many, just enough to fill the canopy with soft sounds. Each leaf catching a drop and singing its tiny song. Tap on the broad leaves, blink on the narrow ones, a chorus of scattered percussion. The different leaves created different pitches and tones, some deep and resonant, some high and delicate. The forest was an orchestra tuning itself to the rain. Barnaby closed his eyes and listened. The raindrops were a lullaby, each one different, but all the same. A slow, random rhythm that made no pattern, and every pattern. The forest was tuning itself to the rain. Barnaby felt his body becoming heavier with each drop that landed. Each tap was a small weight added to his eyelids. Each blink a gentle push toward deeper rest. His body relaxed deeper into the branch. The raindrops were washing away the day, washing away every worry, leaving only the cool, quiet sounds of water finding leaves. The canopy had become an instrument played by the sky itself, and Barnaby was the only listener, the only audience for the most intimate concert in the forest, a concert that had no beginning and would have no end. Barnaby fell asleep as the rain grew just a little heavier. Not a storm, never a storm, just a soft, steady rain falling through the canopy. Each drop a tiny note in the forest's bedtime song. The rain was a gentle curtain of water that separated the forest from the rest of the world, making the canopy feel like the only place that existed. The raindrops continued their gentle music. Tap, tap, tap on the leaves above him. A natural lullaby that had been playing since the first forest, ancient and unhurried. The same song that had put every creature to sleep for millions of years. The rain had been falling on leaves since before there were ears to hear it. And it would continue long after every ear was gone. Barnaby slept, the first raindrop still cool on his nose, a reminder of the moment the rain began, the moment the canopy started to sing, the moment sleep found him. A single cool memory drifting through his dreams as the rain grew softer and softer and softer, until even the softest tap faded into the deepest, most peaceful silence of a sloth, sleeping through the birth of a new rainy season.